Want to level up your looks and feel more confident fast? Just look at someone like Neymar. He went from this to this, all by upgrading his style, hair, and grooming. That kind of glow up can happen quicker than you think. And in this video, I'm going to give you 4 simple but super effective tips to instantly boost your attractiveness as a guy. Tip 1. Get a fresh haircut and groom yourself. First up, your hair and grooming. A clean, sharp haircut that matches your face shape can change your whole look overnight. And grooming basics matter too. Keep your beard tidy or clean shaven, trim your brows, and take care of small details like nose hair. A good barber can help you figure out the style that suits you. Trust me, this one step already levels up your appearance. Tip number 2. Focus on your skin and your smile. Clear, healthy skin instantly gives you a fresher look. Stick to a simple skincare routine. Cleanse your face morning and night. Hydrate with a light moisturizer. Use sunscreen every day. Yes, even if it's cloudy. And drink plenty of water to keep your skin looking plump and glowing. Your smile matters too. Brush, floss, and here's a quick extra tip. Try oil pulling with a teaspoon of coconut oil. Just swish it around your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes a few times a week. This can help naturally whiten your teeth and improve your oral health. A bright, clean smile instantly makes you more approachable. Tip 3. Dress for your body and work on posture. Your clothes and posture also say a lot. Wear clothes that fit properly, not too tight, not too baggy. Start with simple colors like black, white, gray, navy. They always look clean and put together. And stand up straight, shoulders back, chin up. That confident posture makes you look taller and more self-assured without saying a word. Tip 4. Stay active and take care of your body. You don't need to become a gym rat overnight, but staying active, working out, or just going for regular walks will help you look and feel better. Your body language and energy improve when you move more, and you'll naturally appear more attractive and full of life. Remember, being healthy shines through, and people notice. Tip 5. Keep your hands and nails clean. Your hands say a lot about you. Make sure your nails are trimmed, cleaned, and smooth. Nothing looks worse than dirty or overgrown nails. Use a simple nail clipper or file, and if you want to go the extra mile, apply a bit of hand cream so your hands look smooth and well cared for. People notice these small details, and they add up to a much cleaner and more polished appearance. Tip 6. Find a subtle, clean scent. And last but not least, smell good. Your scent is one of the most memorable things about you. Pick a light, clean fragrance or body spray that matches your style. You don't need anything too strong, just something that makes people feel comfortable when they're around you. A good scent can leave a lasting impression and boost your overall attractiveness without even saying a word. Those are 4 simple ways to quickly boost your attractiveness: your haircut, your skin and smile, your style and posture, and staying active. Pick one tip to work on today, and you'll already be on your way to looking your best. If you found this helpful, hit that like, subscribe for more style and grooming videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.